The law of attraction is a priceless boon given by nature to every human being. Today we are going to talk about this boon. Please sit down and listen to me very carefully. If we look at the environment around us, we will feel that nature has made many rules for us. You must have heard about the law of gravity. According to this law, the earth attracts everything towards itself. If we drop anything from above, the earth will attract it and it will fall down. This rule is so accurate that it is also called a universal law. Similarly, the law of attraction is also given to us by nature. Every successful and unsuccessful person follows this rule, knowingly or unknowingly. The law of attraction works equally on all people, just like the law of gravity. It does not matter whether a person knows this law or not. It is working equally on every person and every object, whether you believe it or not. All the successful people in the world have adopted this law correctly and made their lives successful. If you want to be successful in life, you should also know this law. Today, you will learn about the law of attraction, how it works, and how you can apply it in your life. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is related to our thoughts. This law states that similar things attract similar things towards themselves. Our thoughts also attract similar thoughts towards us. When we think of a certain thought, we attract other thoughts like it. According to this law, when you think of something, that thought brings other similar things into your life. We can understand it better this way. Suppose a person is thinking a positive thought. As a result, along with that positive thought, other positive thoughts will start coming to their mind. On the contrary, if a person is thinking a negative thought, then as a result, along with that negative thought, many negative thoughts will also start coming to their mind. By using this law, we can attract anything we like in our life, whether it is money, good health, good relationships, and we can live a successful life. According to this law of attraction, whenever we think about something with full focus, that thing comes into our life. Now let's understand how the law of attraction works. According to science, everything in the universe is made of energy. Humans, animals, earth, sky, earth, and other planets are also made of energy. The density of energy is different in everything, so everything looks different to us. In fact, all things in the universe are connected to each other, and they are just different forms of the same energy. We are also energy, and what we want to get is also energy. There are different forms of energy, humans, animals, objects, etc., which have their own frequency. At the same time, let me tell you that our thoughts are also a form of energy. According to science, energy cannot be erased nor can it be created. It can only be transformed from one form to another. This is the law of energy conservation. Thoughts are also a form of energy. This thought can be transformed into a person because any object is also a form of energy. In this way, we can transform our thoughts into objects. When we think about something and think about it with full faith, the frequency of that thought goes to the universe. After a while, the frequency of that thought appears in our life with that object and other objects of the same frequency, and we become the owner of that object. Whatever life you have today, whatever you have today, is all the result of the thoughts you have had in the past. We focus and think about whatever we think about. If you have a negative mindset and think about things that you don't want in your life, then those same negative things appear in your life. On the contrary, if you have a positive mindset and think about things that you want in your life, then those same positive things appear in your life. This is absolutely clear. Whatever we think happens in our life. We get what we want. Let's understand this through an example. Just as your mobile is connected to all the mobile phones in the world, in the same way, the energy of everything in this universe is connected to each other. When you want to talk to someone on your mobile, you get their number. And with the number you get, you talk to that person. Similarly, the frequency of thought you send to the universe brings you the object of that frequency. Now let's learn how to apply the law of attraction for success. As I told you, thought is energy, and each thought has its own frequency. To be successful, we need to set the frequency of our thoughts to match the frequency of the object we want. The rest of the work is done by the universe itself. Now let me tell you how to use the law of attraction and how to match the frequency of your thoughts with the frequency of your desired objects. As I mentioned, the whole universe and everything in it are made up of energy. Each object and thought has its own frequency. We just have to match the frequency of our thoughts with the frequency of our desired objects. It works the same way as tuning a radio to a particular frequency to listen to our favorite program. First of all, whatever you want to achieve, whether it is good health, a lot of money, or a good relationship with someone, you should have a strong desire to get it. The more you increase this desire, the more the law of attraction will work for you. After that, you will need to tell the universe about your desire. You will need to ask the universe for your desired thing, or you will need to order it to bring you your desired thing. But remember, your order should be very clear and expressed in positive words. After giving the order, you should write it on a piece of paper in the present tense. For example, I am very happy today because I have bought my favorite house. Keep this paper in a place where you can see it often. You need to combine your faith and belief with the thought of your desired thing. You must unite your faith and belief, and you have to believe in yourself. Faith is the feeling that you need to connect with the thought of your desired thing. This connection will help your frequency quickly match the frequency of that object, and your order will be fulfilled as soon as possible. Your thought or order is the most important factor in conveying your feelings to the universe. You have to make yourself believe repeatedly that you have that thing. For that thing, you must keep thanking the universe. The stronger your faith or feeling, the sooner the universe will complete your request. After doing this, your work is over, and the work of the universe begins. Depending on the quality of your faith or belief, the universe will take time to give you that thing. Eventually, you will receive it.